We're currently in the Coral Triangle to rebuild a coral reef in an area that's been massively impacted by many years of dynamite fishing or blast fishing, which has turned the reef into a flat desert rubble field.
Anjo karang saya pun aku lepan rak mesir dan saribung.
Nah, berkumpul gerung juga, dikumpulkan ikan dengan cara kasih makan, terus itu dibuang bomnya.
Ya, hanya betul-betulnya biasa, kurang biasa juga pun tenakaran. Ya, maka juga cecak dia ke mati pun tenakaran.
So the condition of the reef now is like heavily damaged, and one reason is why we do restoration, because we want to restore the ecosystems in order to improve the fish populations, and then we'll have the island community for their livelihood now and future.
The local community have been involved at all stages, but also the site of the project could have been in several different islands. The reason why this particular location was chosen was because it had maximum community support.
Waktu itu pertama-tama menanamkan karang itu masyarakat pertama-tama dilibatkan. Bahkan di setiap RT RW kita ambil orangnya untuk kerjasama.
Actually, what it's demonstrated is once you do something like this on one island, then of course other island communities see its benefits, and the excitement and the demand for the restoration expands.
Selama je kecilan berawan, nak je berdoa, tambah je.
This community relies mostly on pelagic fishing. At the moment they're extremely happy, they're catching lots of squid. Last night the small fishermen here took 1,000 kilos of squid, and that's good money, but people are attributing that to the restoration, and that's important because by appreciating that the coral reef has a role, they then are encouraged to further support and protect their coral reef, which not only provides fish but provides protection to the island.
Karena pertumbuhannya juga sangat bagus. Masa depan untuk masyarakat pesisir sangat bagus sekali.